Hi, dear students. Now I am taking financial accounting of final year, that is 6th sem accounts, under that internal reconstruction. We already solved 3 problems. This is the 4th problem which appeared in the year 2016. So this is the balance sheet is given like this. Then the adjustment is like this. The following scheme of reconstruction was adopted. 8% preference shares were to be reduced to rupees 50 each. So the preference shares are reduced to 50 rupees. So now only we can pass the journal entry. So preference share capital is reduced. So the entry is preferential share capital account data. Capital account data. See the balance sheet. Preference share capital is 1,50,000 to preferential share capital account. So it is given reduced to rupees 50. It is given reduced to rupees 50. So number of share is 1,500. So 1,500 into 50. That means 75,000. Then the remaining balance should be transferred to, so here it is given, pass the journal entries and prepare reconstruction account. So we have to transfer it to reconstruction account. Reconstruction account. So the balance is 75,000, being the capital reduction in preference shares. So here preference share capital account data to preference share capital account. So it is given the problem. It is reduced to rupees 50. Reduced to rupees 50. Then remaining balance should be transferred to reconstruction account. Next adjustment is equity shares were to be reduced to a shares of rupees 50 each, 40 each. So it is given equity shares to be reduced to rupees 40 each. So it should be reduced to rupees 40 each. So the journal entry is, first we have to debit the equity share capital account. So the entry is equity share capital account data. See the balance sheet. Here equity share is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. It is reduced to, that is to equity share capital account. It is reduced to how much? 40 rupees. Number of share is equity share, it is given here. It is 3,000. So 3,000 shares, it is reduced to 40. That means 1,20,000. So remaining should be transferred to reconstruction account. Reconstruction account. That means 1,80,000. So 3 lakh minus 1,20,000. 1,80,000 should be transferred to reconstruction account. So the equity share capital reduction, being the equity share capital reduction to rupees 40 each. Next, you can see the next journal entry. See, the third adjustment is given like this. Debenture holders have agreed to accept 800, 10% debentures of rupees 100 each. So debenture holders accept how much debentures it is given? 800 debentures of rupees 100 each. So debenture holders ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ 800 debentures 100 rupees ನಾಗೆ taken over ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ agree ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So the now entry is, we have to debit the debentures account. Debentures account. See the balance sheet. It is 9% debenture is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. It is reduced to 8% debentures. So how much it is? 800 rupees. 800 debentures at rupees 100. So it adu 800 debenture 100 rupees reduced agide. So it becomes 80,000 and the remaining balance should be transferred to reconstruction account. So remaining balance should be transferred to reconstruction account. That means 1 lakh minus 80,000. That is 20,000 transferred to reconstruction account. Transferred to reconstruction account. So it is the reduction of debentures to the extent of rupees 20,000. Next one is, next journal entry is all the fictitious assets including goodwill and patents were to be eliminated. Profit and goodwill and profit and loss account were to be eliminated. So it should be the last entry. Then building to be reduced and stock reduced 20% and stock by 25%. So it is also we have to write off the asset. So last entry, that is writing off of the asset, fictitious asset and other assets. Then a provision of 5% on debtors, it is also RBD. So now we have to debit the reconstruction account and we have to write off all the assets. Reconstruction account debtor, see the first journal entry. Here the reconstruction account is 75,000. Next reconstruction account is 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Then regarding debenture entry, reconstruction account balance is 20,000. So the total reconstruction account is 2,75,000. So first we have to eliminate the fictitious asset. That is once again goodwill, profit and loss account, discount on issue of shares and preliminary expenses. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಿಕ್ಟಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಉಂಟಾ ಅದರ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೊಡದಿರಲಿ, ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ one goodwill is given, another one is profit and loss account is given. So first write off goodwill account, it is 40,000. Then next one is to profit and loss account, to P&L account, 95,000. Then see the adjustment, it is given building to be reduced by 20%. So two buildings account. So see the balance sheet, building is given 2 lakh, reduced to rupees, reduced at 20%, that means it comes to 40,000. Next, and stock by 25%. So to stock account. So see the stock given in the balance sheet is 1 lakh into 25%, that means 25,000. 25,000. Then it is also given like this, all the fictitious assets including goodwill and patents were to be eliminated. So here we have to eliminate patents also. So to patents account, patents is 70,000. patents ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೊಡದಿರಲಿ, ಫಿಕ್ಟಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next it is given a provision of 5% on debtors for doubtful debts. That means to RBD, see the debtors, it is 80,000. RBD is created at, it is given 5%. So it comes to rupees 4,000. So as adjustment is over, then from this reconstruction account deduct all these assets, return of assets, then the balance should be transferred to reconstruction account. Reconstruction account. So 2,75,000 minus 40 minus 95,000 minus 40,000 minus 25,000 minus 70,000 minus 4,000. So we get 1,000. 1,000. So narration is being the above assets written off. So this is the last entry. See here, in this problem, we have to pass the journal entries and prepare the reconstruction account after the reconstruction is carried out. So no need of preparing the balance sheet. It is given only prepare the reconstruction account. So after passing the journal entries, it is very easy to prepare the reconstruction account. So next step is we have to prepare the reconstruction account. With the help of journal entries, we can easily prepare the reconstruction account. So reconstruction account. See the first journal entry. That is preference share capital account data to preference share capital to reconstruction. To reconstruction means by preferential share capital amount is 75,000. Next journal entry is equity share capital to equity share capital to reconstruction account. So to reconstruction account means by equity shares account. It is 1,80,000. Next entry is debentures account data to debentures to reconstruction. To reconstructions means by debentures account. See the amount of reconstruction account. Journal entry reconstruction account amount ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So that is 20,000. So the last entry is reconstruction account data to. So writing of all the assets. Write the amount here, all the assets. Goodwill account. See the last journal entry 40,000 to P&L account 95,000. Next to land account, so to land and buildings account 40,000. Next to stock account. Write all the assets which are written off. So stock account is 25,000. Next is patents. Patents account. Patents account is 70,000. Next one is to RBD account. RBD account 4,000. So last one is balance is transferred to capital reserve account. So capital reserve account is 1 lakh. So the last is journal entry. The balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So last balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. Reconstruction account debit minus all the asset. So we are getting the balance. That balance should be transferred to capital reserve account. So here I think I said it is reconstruction account. Nam mistake reconstruction account ante helidbeku nanu. So adu capital reserve account. Yes, over. This account should be tally. So it will tally. So the total of both sides is 2,75,000. 2,75,000. Here only they asked to pass journal entries and to prepare the reconstruction account. So this is the preparation of reconstruction account. There is no need of preparing the balance sheet. So this problem is over. Thank you.